In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page width in Shopify Dawn theme. Changing the page width is a simple way to control how wide your store content appears on desktop screens. A wider layout can make sections feel more spacious, while a narrower layout can improve readability and keep the design looking clean and focused. In the Dawn theme, Shopify makes this adjustment easy through the theme editor, and it only takes a moment to apply. Start by opening your Shopify admin. In the left-hand navigation, go to Online Store, then choose Themes. This is where you manage the themes installed on your store, and where you can access the editor for your current design. Next, find the Dawn theme in your theme list. On the Dawn theme card, click Customize. This will open the theme editor in a new view, with a live preview of your storefront on the right and editing controls on the left. If the page takes a moment to load, wait until you can see the preview clearly before making changes. Now look to the left-hand sidebar and click the gear icon. This is the theme settings area, where you adjust global design options that can affect multiple pages and sections at once. Using theme settings is helpful because you are not changing just one page template. You are setting consistent layout rules for the theme. Within theme settings, click Layout. This section contains controls related to the overall structure of your pages, including the maximum width that your content can expand to. In the layout settings, find the page width slider. Use this slider to adjust the maximum width to normal. As you move the slider, keep an eye on the preview to see how it impacts the spacing of your content. This change can affect how text lines wrap, how large images feel, and how much breathing room there is around your sections. For the best results, look at a few different pages in the preview, such as the home page and a product page, to confirm the width looks consistent and comfortable. Once you are happy with the page width setting, click Save. Always save before leaving the editor, so your change is applied to your live theme configuration. That covers everything you need to know.